see the bottom through a cloud of dust. Take me to the top, I wanna live.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to deep dive into a topic that I think a lot of us can relate, whether you own an F80, F82, or any car in general, that this car has given me so much more than just a car. As you can see, I'm definitely not in South Florida. I'm actually on a little vacation with my family, which I haven't taken in over, I would say 15, 20 years. It's been a while since we all got everybody together. And I think this is a time where we can all kind of hang out and travel and kind of like see things. So where we are right now is actually in Idaho. And as you can see, I'm wearing a Yellowstone National Park sweater. We've been visiting a lot of these national parks in the area and really enjoying the sights. A lot of these adult things to do. If you guys haven't really traveled or checked out national parks, it's something that you definitely want to do once in your life because it is a good time. Moments like this you need to cherish. So if you guys are out there, definitely hang out with your family and spend time with them, because what's really most important in life is family, time, and just enjoying life. So, but I will say it's been a great time. We've been going every single day and, you know, going hiking and stuff. Hiking is something I've never done before, and my sister and brother-in-law lied to me saying it was gonna be easy. My God, it was taxing. And don't get me wrong, I'm into fitness and stuff. I work out, but it's a lot more cardio than I expected. So definitely, you guys haven't gone hiking. We went to a spot called Avalanche Peak, and that is pretty intense. Not gonna lie, it's pretty intense. I'll definitely include some clips into this video. All right, guys, so we are at Fort Lauderdale Airport. We are gonna be heading to Bozeman Airport. Family vacation videos. This is maybe episode 1, maybe 2, I don't know. We'll put everything maybe together, or maybe just 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Didn't realize it was gonna be definitely, yeah. I thought it was gonna be like bullshit, but this is interesting. All right, we just did about maybe an hour, maybe like 2 miles already. In the beginning, I was dying, but Ricky could keep up. I gotta hats off to him. But here's the steep part. I think we got it. We made it this far. Why give up? But this video is not really about my vacation or any of that. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of background of where I'm at and what I've been doing. But I also wanted to deep dive into a topic of owning this F80 M3 has opened so many different doors in my life for the past 2.5 years. I think a lot of us could relate to this too. Not entirely, but little bits and pieces of it. So let's deep dive into it. So before we continue with this video, I want to thank our sponsors for this video, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. When you're out here traveling, you definitely want something that's lightweight. Having this wallet, it definitely is lightweight. It's carbon fiber and Alcantara. At my last event in the Poconos, I had this wallet, and when you look at it, it definitely speaks like it's a car enthusiast type of wallet. But I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to pick up some gifts for yourself or family members or friends for this upcoming birthday or holiday season coming up, that's in a couple months, definitely check the website out. I'll link the link up on top and also in the description. And additionally, you can use this discount code right over here. That's gonna get you 10% off. But I wanna thank them again for sponsoring this video. And let's continue back to the topic that I was talking about earlier. So when I first purchased the F80 M3, I've never thought that I'd be doing BMW Invasion, hosting car events, meeting different people throughout the whole United States, and also being able to work with different companies on partnerships. So it's definitely humbled me as a person and also a car enthusiast. So going back into when I first bought the F80 M3, I've never thought I was going to basically do all this, right? So I thought I was going to go to a couple cars and coffee, a couple car events, a couple cruises here and there, being part of other people's cruises. But you know, it all started when I was going to Cars and Coffee. I was able to meet Miguel Beamer, which is my business partner for BMW Invasion. And we were able to come up with some ideas and really grow this BMW Invasion into, you know, events throughout the United States. And we've been taking this process slowly and methodically and just trying to make sure that when we have these experiences with people that come, you know, from out of state, for example, Jane and her husband, they come to multiple events. And also you have Chris that actually just drove from Texas all the way to New Jersey for our last event in the Poconos, where we did that rally there. I think a lot of us could agree when you own a sports car, BMW or anything like that, you're part of a community, and a community where you could kind of like spend time with like-minded people, where you guys could talk about cars all day, talk about how much money you spent on this and that, so you don't tell your significant others. But I think owning a BMW, for me in general, has opened this community up where it kind of relates to me with when I owned a Subaru, because back in the day when I owned a Subaru, I went to different various car meets. I think it was called the Wicked Big Meet up in upstate New York. I've gone to that multiple times, and that's a good time too. It's very similar to like an Impact type event, but Impact is definitely on a different level. I will say that. Owning this F80 M3 has opened a lot of doors, like I said. One notable door was definitely opening this channel. So if you guys go back to the previous videos from way back, you can definitely see the progress. And I noticed that you guys know the progress because a lot of you guys that leave the positive feedback, I really appreciate that. And it really motivates me more to continue to do these videos. As you guys know, YouTube does not pay my bills or BMW Invasion. We all have full-time jobs, but I take time out of my day to do these videos because I really enjoy it. I really enjoy giving you guys some positive information, and also information because in general, it can help you grow as a person, help you grow into modifying your cars and items like that. So once we started BMW Invasion, we started doing car events, and that has opened up many different doors. We're working different partners like Active Auto Work, Motor Performance, Simply Carbon Fiber, various different companies that I've worked with by just having this YouTube channel, and also BMW Invasion. I would say one of the greatest parts about having BMW Invasion is actually meeting different people. And it's, as weird as it sounds, it definitely humbles me, because when I get to do these videos where I'm doing behind the scenes, and you have Baca doing the movie types and making a really good video where we could kind of document somebody's story about their car passion, along with their modifications, because I think we're all really interested about that too. So another reason how this F80 M3 has given me so much more than just being a car is that I was actually able to travel to Mississippi/Memphis, Tennessee with some of my best friends, and also meeting some of my best friends there that live there, was be able to film various videos, whether it's the scouting Memphis, Tennessee, and also the Everybody's Stories. And it doesn't take away from the experience. What makes it more special is that I'm doing these events and also these interviews and videos with some of my best friends I've been friends with for since like middle school, and friends I've gotten into trouble with since I was younger, and now we're in our 30s. So being able to do that was definitely a humbling experience. And I say the word humble because I take everything not for granted. I cherish every single moment that I deal with, because that's the type of person I am. So doing those events with them and also filming them was able to kind of like make it so much more worth it, you know, and to show them exactly what we do when we film these videos. And they had a blast too, and you can kind of see it on the behind the scenes on those two videos where we met with a Marcus Cooper and also Mahir, and we were able to hear their stories and also see their passions about their cars, and also see the beautiful Memphis, Tennessee area / Mississippi, because being able to travel and do these things is I couldn't even describe it any more than being just amazing. So, and I think a lot of us too, when you own a car that you have a lot of passion for, whether it's a BMW, Audi, Subaru, Honda, whatever it is, I think a lot of us can relate. When you go to these car events, when you're able to speak to other people and talk about the same passion, right, about cars, modifications, and you make these connections where you're able to get either discounts or ideas on modifying your car so you're not doing it wrong. So owning this F80 M3, I think one of the coolest aspects of it in general is being able to meet you guys. So a lot of you guys that do come to our events at BMW Invasion, it's so cool to meet you guys and actually talk to you guys prior through Instagram, DMs like that, or even commenting on each other's photos. But meeting you guys in person has been such a cool experience. And one notable event that we just went to in the Poconos, I was walking around Impact, and I gotta say, like 35 people came up to me and was able to say, hey, I watch your channel, and we're just talking. We're talking for like 10, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is. We're talking for just about cars, and I really appreciate it. And I've told you guys that came up to me during this event, I really appreciate the support, and I really do, because in general, this is a really small channel. I have about 4,800 subscribers or 4,700 subscribers, I don't even know what right now, but I'm almost to a point where, you know, it's getting to a point where it's growing, and I'm really appreciating that you guys are leaving positive feedback, and all that positive feedback I'm feeding off of, because it just motivates me more, especially when I'm on vacation. I'm filming a video for you guys. But besides that, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I know this is definitely a little bit different. I'm in a different state filming for you guys. I have all my camera gear. I'm actually doing a little family vlog for everybody to watch later, for my family. Not for you guys, but for my family. And it's fun. You know, I'm able to enjoy this aspect of my life, and it provides me joy, and I'm sure it provides you guys entertainment too. But I could keep rambling into the camera that, you know, for a long time. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are first tuning in, my name is Ken. I want to thank you guys for your time, and also invite you guys to subscribe to this channel, because I come out the video every single week. I do a lot of the behind the scenes with BMW Invasion, along with my F80 M3 content. But besides that, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my vacation. I'm gonna enjoy the beautiful nature out here. But I'll see you guys next week on the next video.
What you need to lend a helping hand when you wake up, just know that we're always there. And when you call, we'll answer you and always get you through. It don't matter where you go, cause we're always there. Through the fire, through the change, we ain't afraid, gonna be here every day. We walk the miles, make the space, take the time, never